My mom told me I had to go to college for something, you know. So college was already in my future, and I really thought diesel was going to be my thing, you know. I heard about the American Implement program there at school.
So the Full Throttle program is really designed for students who have an interest in a career as a diesel technician for John Deere. It's designed for students to come in and intern with us the summer before their senior year of high school and then the summer after their senior year of high school.
I saw the stability in the company, you know, it's a good-sized company, but really American Implement fit for me, you know, everything they had to offer really fit.
So essentially, a student that is sponsored by American Implement in the Full Throttle program, that student is getting reimbursed the full cost of their program. So that includes books, tuition, fees, their meal plan, housing, and American Implement also covers the cost of an on-loan laptop, and we also provide a toolbox at the beginning of their college program. And then they slowly pay off the cost of the toolbox during their 4-year employment commitment.
Just having that cost of school covered is a crazy big deal, you know. It really helps you, and all you have to do is just work there a couple years and you don't get in this huge debt.
So a student is committing to a 4-year or 48-month employment commitment to us. So when they graduate with their associate's degree, they come back and work for their sponsoring dealership for 4 years. And over the course of that 4 years, we are reimbursing their program cost. So a student is going to pursue their Associates of Applied Science at one of our partner schools. So we work closely with Garden City Community College here in Garden City, Southeast Community College in Milford, Nebraska. Our other non-John Deere partner school is Fort Hays Tech Northwest in Goodland.
You know, I'd rate it really high here in Garden City. The instructors, they're really knowledgeable. They'll teach you everything you need to know to get a pretty good start at your career.
We want to see their success, and sometimes that means doing the little things, right? Taking them out to lunch or sending a care package to them before finals week, making a phone call to check in.
You know, they make you feel like they care about you, really. I think that's what they go for, you know, make you feel like you're cared about. You're not just some employee, you know.
They graduate with their associate's degree and they have a guaranteed job with us. So how nice would that be? You graduate from college and your friends are paying back student loans and filling out job applications and going on interviews. That's all taken care of because you've got a job with American Implement.
If I had to talk to a high school student now, I'd tell them, if you are thinking about going into a program with either auto, mechanic, diesel, go with us 100%. I don't regret it at all. I really say no other job can really rival it.